on the edge. My body sways on the ledge. The bitter wind pierces my skin like a sharp pin, stabbing me repeatedly across my body evenly. Tilt my head to the sky. Nothing more to be said. Breathing fast, each breath closer to my last. I've escaped captivity, sick of constant negativity, humiliation, desperation, total annihilation. I've cried enough tears. My thoughts are now clear. Outside in the fresh air, I take down my matted hair. It hangs down below my tits, where it imperfectly sits. Erect nipples from the cold breeze, a moment to seize. The golden sun makes love to my face, a warm embrace. Darkness evaporating. Whoosh! Whoosh! Overhead, a flock of birds have appeared. Starlings, flying in unison. Murmuration. Each movement is beautiful in full formation. Turning, twisting, twirling. In a shape-shifting cloud. Not one is alone, flying home or out to roam. Further away they fly, powerfully engulfing the dank evening sky. I want to come too. Wait on me, will you? Flying high. Can I at least try? Arms wide. No more to provide. I lift my arms up and down, trying to create momentum to not hit the ground. A lone tear makes an appearance. How long will it take them to notice my disappearance? The great escape. I should have made a cape. Time to take control, leaving this shithole. Look back. No, don't look back. I'll be a flying bird, a flying jailbird. Deep breath. 1, 2, 3. Go! Oh, I'm flying, no longer dying.